Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Press that red notification bell. You'll always be the first to know when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Support my channel. We are looking at a road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. In today's video, we are looking at Apple Watch Series 7. Apple Watch Series 7. Apple Watch Series 7 will be available in the new 41 and 45 mm size options that are 1 mm larger than the 40 mm and 44 mm optimized of the previous generations, and casings have been refined with the softer, more rounded edges. Let us look at a few small facts about the Apple Watch Series 7. Much as it's not yet out, but the information leaks that it will be out very soon, and the pre-orders will be starting very soon. First of all, the subtle redesign that is headed by a larger and a brighter display and a faster charging. That is one of the very important future. Then we also expect to have a faster charging Apple Watch, which is better than the Apple Watch 6 and charging at a rate of 33% faster. Then a thinner display, borders display of up to 20% bigger than the Apple Watch 6. We also expect to have a brighter screen display of 70% brighter than before the other Apple generation. Remember, the Apple has not yet announced the official pre-order and premiering for order for the new model, but we expect larger models. That will be starting price of from $39 at least. The Apple Watch designs are expected to be actually curvier compared to the previous Apple Watch models. Still more to say, the Apple Watch Series 7 is not yet available for purchase, but Apple says that the pre-orders for the device will be open soon. However, from leaker John Presser, he claims he says that the pre-orders for the Apple Watch series would begin as soon as early October. Remember, the stainless steel Apple models will be available in silver, gold and graphite, which is deeper gray shade. The Apple Watch Series 7 features a strong redesigned front crystal component with a more robust geometry, and also certified to be IPX dust resistant, making it more durable for environments such as the beach and the desert. We still say the device will also continue to face off the WRF50, which means that it will be water resistant, rated to an immersion of water in the deep as 50 meters. So that's some of the few unique features we expect from the Apple Watch Series 7. So let's wait for the pre-orders. For more information about these updates or such kind of updates, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's Max from the Malcolm X TV. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to drop in a comment in the comment section below. I'll always be more than happy to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching my channel. See you once again.